You've got a special event, like having a kid party or a baby shower or friends coming for tea. Well, this video shows you how to decorate your homemade cakes. They'll look so good that you'd want to take a picture and post them on your social network. So, let's get baking!
So now we're going to show you how to make some simple chocolate decoration. You can either use dark chocolate, light chocolate or white chocolate. Me today I'm using white chocolate because you will see later on when I use it on my chocolate glaze it looks nice and good. We simply put it in the microwave, we gently melt it so it doesn't burn. We take it out and mix it well and put it back in till it's nicely melted. Now you can see the chocolate is nicely melted. What we do, we just pour it out on our sheet. We want to do a very thin layer. With our spatula. Roll it out nicely. And then to make it nice and flat, take a knife like this and just run it underneath. And as you can see, it's nice and flat. And then what we do, we just place some fruit and nuts. And then when it's dried in a couple of hours time, we then cut them out into little circles. Now, there's two methods afterwards. You can either put this in the fridge, let it cool down for a couple of hours so it sets, or like I prefer, I put it to the side. I prefer this one day, the day before, and then just let it dry naturally so that it's then ready to use the next day. Now we're going to pipe some shapes out. I'm just going to show you one or two ideas which you can do. So here we're going to make some hashtags. You need to try and make them a bit large for the film. You need to try and make them a bit smaller than this. Well, now it's been a few hours, our chocolate's nicely set. We're going to first take off a little design. What we can do is run a knife underneath to loosen it up. You see it comes off nicely. And then with a palette knife, we just lift them up and put them nicely on a plate so we don't break them, so we can use them later on. Now we're going to cut out our circles around bits of fruit and nuts. So what we do, with some boiling water, we put it into a small glass pot. It has to be boiling, otherwise it won't work, because what we're going to do now is melt the chocolate. So you put your, I put in a tube from a piping bag, wipe off the excess water, and we just melt it slowly. You have to do it 1 or 2 times. Well, now we just take off our discs. So we do like last time. Go underneath the paper, loosen it up a bit. And let me take them out. We put them on the side until we need them. And then the bits of chocolate on the side, you can always use them again. There we go. Well, now we're going to glaze product. So we're going to start off with, I'm using a madeleine. What I do to find life a bit easier, I use a little fork. Put it at the back, put it in, all the way down, put it out, and just gently brush off the excess, the extra which I don't need. And then put it down to dry. I'll show it one more time. Put my fork in, push the chocolate all the way down, lift it up, take the excess off, and then leave it to dry. Now we're going to decorate small cakes or madeleine. Here you can do what you like, but you need to remember to keep it small, nice and delicate. I'm going to show you one or two ideas, but otherwise let your imagination go. So one or two easy things to do is, for example, you take a simple covered small cake and you go over the top like this. Or again, simply with chocolate discs we made, you can just put one simply in the middle. Again, it looks very nice, very decorative. Or we can put one of our hashtags. It's the same, you can always put some sprinkles on to decorate. For example, if it's a baby shower or Valentine's Day, or you want to surprise your girlfriend or boyfriend, you can simply just put them on the top. Or even for a kid's birthday, they love this. Or even if it's a bit too girly, you can put little balls on, so it's more boy. This way you can use fruit and nuts. Here I've got some walnut. It's the same, I don't put a whole walnut on, I just put 1/4 of a walnut. So it's the same, it looks delicate. Looks very fine and delicate, that's what we're looking for. We can always put a bit of orange. This chocolate and orange goes very well together. Very simple, very decorative, but very simple. We can put some little red berries. This one's always a very big success, this one. It's the one I enjoy the most. What I do is simple, 3 simple berries at the top. And now when you eat it, it's so delicious, of the freshness of the berries. Or if you want to be a little bit different, you can put a blueberry. Then afterwards, put some red carrots all the way around. So these are just some ideas of what you can do. You really have to try yourselves, but the secret is always the same, is to keep it small and delicate. We start putting big chunky things on the top, suddenly everything comes out of proportion. So as you can see, it's very easy to do, and it's very enjoyable, and you get a good shiny product at the end. Put a comment in the comment section of what you do, so you can share your ideas with everyone else. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you again soon.